try and add some ridges in this thing and stiffen it up a little bit. Be careful with it because you will go through it with the chisel. I did it by accident, so you might want to either make it blunt or just be careful with it. Just tap the line along it. You can hear the tone of that metal changing. Take it out of here. Then we'll flip it around. Get it somewhat lined up. Tap it again. Got some nice little grooves, and that metal is stiff. I think. But anyway, the No Name National stuff has been blowing up. You guys are doing a great job. I've gotten a bunch of subscribers. I've subscribed to a bunch of channels. I see a lot of them that have already made the threshold, and we've got way lots of time. So you guys just get out there, make videos. Literally, the only thing you have to do is hit record, upload the video. You know, you'll learn how to tag it. You'll learn how to make a good, title for it. All that stuff along the way. It takes time, believe me. But there are lots of people on YouTube that tell you how to do that, how to upload it, how to tag it, how to title it, your keywords, hashtags, all that stuff. Nick Nimmon's a genius. Another guy called Channel something. I don't know. I can't think what it is right now. But anyway, there's a lot of people on there. Just put in how to get my first 500 subs or my first 1,000 subscribers. All these videos will come up. I've been watching them I've been doing this for over a year now. But they will get you there. You'll learn how to get everything, the algorithm will start working for you. Everything will be just great. It's a pain in the beginning. Believe me, I've been going through it. It's a rough start, but exponentially it gets better every day, every week, every month. Some months are up, some months are down. But just keep up the good work because everybody's doing a great job. I'm really impressed with how this is already blowing up. I knew it was going to blow up. It's going to make the car industry, working on old cars, working on new cars, whatever you're doing, it's going to make the car industry on YouTube way better, and we're going to be able to teach each other stuff and make new connections and build a good community. I do live streams every Tuesday night at 8:30 Eastern time. If you guys want to come and hang out, please do. We have a good time. We joke. We cut up. I don't have a big following yet, so I can get to all the comments and all that stuff. That's another thing too. When you get a comment on a video, make sure you comment back. You like their video, heart their video, or like their comment, heart their comment. All this stuff works with the algorithm for the YouTube algorithm to be able to find out who your video needs to go to. So we need to keep that up too, and that'll get your subs going, that'll get your view time going, that'll get everything going. So I don't want to go on the whole YouTube rant how to do it. But like I said, there's lots of people on there that can tell you, and they're really good at it, and they've been studying it for many, many years. So keep up the good work. I appreciate everybody. Let's get this No Name Nationals thing going even higher. I know it's already blew up, so I'm going to get back to welding. You guys get out there and fix something.
Almost as hard as you want, you're not going to kill it.
All right.
Where's the brush at? Big brush.
The old man can do this. That looks pretty good.
It's got a pretty thick slag. Yeah, just shove down on that harder than you think you need to. You're probably not going to kill it. 70-18 is the opposite. 6210 is what you pull out when you really need a lot of penetration on something, or if you're making like a root pass or a ribbon bevel. If you do like a